Now, how do you transfer GoPro footage and GoPro videos to a Mac, right? So there are a few options on how you can exactly do this, right? I have some favorites, so let's just get started. First of all, your GoPro records video on an SD card, which is the micro SD card, right? It is this small one. But the way that it works is that you can place the micro SD card into this larger, which is just called SD card, and that can be connected to a computer. In my case, in the MacBook Pro, I have a dedicated connector for that SD card, so I can just slide it in and then access the folders through the Finder. But if I do not have it, I'll need to use another adapter where I just plug in that entire thing, the actual SD card, and that I connect to the Mac with a USB-C cable and connection. So that's like the most common approach, no matter if you have the MacBook like Air or Mac Mini, whatever, they all have USB-C, so this will work on all of them. Then of course you just go to the Finder and just locate that connected device, and you can just drag and drop the files and do whatever you need with them. Outside of that, you have some different options, of course, right? Because you can connect the GoPro directly with the USB-C cable to your computer, and this should also work. It should just charge that battery alongside with it and also allow you to connect it and see the footage right there, right? So you should also find the GoPro inside of your Finder. And even if not, I know a lot of people who like to use the Quik app on their phone, like on the iPhone most likely, and there you can just wirelessly connect your and like transfer files from the GoPro to the phone inside of that app, and from the phone you can airdrop them to the Mac, right? So another approach, even though this is a little bit more complicated because at first you need to transfer it from the GoPro to iPhone, and then from the iPhone download it to the gallery, and then from the gallery you can share it to the Mac. So a couple of more steps in between, but yeah, you have plenty of possibilities. If you ask me, I just like the SD card type of thing into the MacBook Pro. Very quick, very simple. That's how I like to use it. So let me know which option you prefer. Go ahead and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. I even have like a bunch of stuff about specifically GoPros, which you can check out on this channel, but subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.